This tutorial will teach you how to find statistical data by topic, keyword, or location using the library's Sage Stats database. The Sage Stats homepage allows you to browse topics using the tab in the bar along the top or the column on the right. Browse locations by clicking the Location tab on the top bar. The locations are browsable by state, county, metro area, city, or zip code. Make a selection to page through the locations. The list of states at the top allows you to jump directly to the locations listed for that category. For example, if I select the zip code tab and Ohio, I will see all the Ohio zip codes. Make a selection to view the location data. Back on the home page, enter keywords in the search field or select Advanced Search to add additional search criteria. The Advanced Search allows you to limit your results based on topic, years, location type, age, industry, race, sex, data type, unit of measure, and product. We are going to focus our search on location-specific stats, so I'm going to click on the Location tab and search for Cincinnati. The results are categorized by location type, in this case, metro areas and cities. I'm going to choose the city result, Cincinnati, Ohio. Clicking this brings me to the City of Cincinnati page where I can view general population information, find a data series based on a specific topic, see associated locales, and more. Let's say we wanted to find city government payroll data. Selecting a topic, government finances, will generate a category dropdown. In our case, there is only one category, state and local government expenditures. Selecting it will present us with links to different relevant datasets. Let's look at full-time city government employee payroll. The dataset page allows us to view the information in several ways. A map or table of how the city data compares nationally, and a chart of city numbers. The quotations icon allows you to cite the chart. Click it, select your instructor's required citation style, copy and paste. Remember to double check your copied citations with examples of styles as formatting can change when pasting. Click the share icon to email the resource to yourself or others. To view the original source of the publication, click the Source tab to access the original link where the dataset first appeared. Sage Stats is a versatile database with a variety of ways to find statistical data on locations and topics. If you have further questions, please reach out to us here at the library, and good luck with your research.